Hey guys, Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, stuffed chicken breast. This stuffed chicken breast recipe is easy and simple to make, plus it's yummy and delicious. First, I placed the chicken breast on a clean chopping board to prepare it for marinade and seasoning. These are the ingredients I used to prepare the stuffed chicken breast: half a teaspoon of salt, a handful of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin oil, 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. And the vegetables I used are pak choi, known as Chinese cabbage, a clove of garlic, and a handful of spinach. I started by chopping the vegetables. And when it comes to chopping the spinach, I like putting it in a tight bowl and then keep on cutting away until I reach the desired size. I needed the vegetable to be on the smaller size because it will be easy to stuff in the chicken breast later on. I also chopped the garlic clove into small pieces. Afterwards, I tossed the vegetables a little bit just to make sure the garlic is mixed in. Next, I mixed in mozzarella cheese to the vegetables. Again, I tossed it around to make sure everything is combined properly. Next, I made a marinade by combining chicken seasoning, salt, and extra virgin oil. I mixed the marinade with a spoon just to make sure the mixture is combined well. Next, I created a pocket in the chicken by cutting in the middle of the chicken breast. The chicken breasts are ready to be stuffed. Dip each chicken breast into the marinade and then stuff the mixture of vegetables, mozzarella cheese inside. I continued doing this until I stuffed all the chicken breasts. And guys, just make sure that all the vegetables are stuffed in properly inside so they don't spill out when they are cooking. All the chicken breasts have been stuffed nicely and ready to go in the oven. I baked the chicken breast in the preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 15 to 20 minutes. I took out the chicken breasts from the oven after baking for 20 minutes. As you can see, they are nice and golden and they were thoroughly cooked. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. See you later.